Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the AooDen portable dishwasher and the HAVA countertop dishwasher. Both appliances are designed for small kitchens, making them ideal for apartments and RVs. In this video, we will explore their key features, pricing, and efficiency to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The AooDen portable dishwasher is priced at $339, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the HAVA countertop dishwasher comes in at $399, reflecting its additional features and enhanced energy efficiency. While both are competitively priced for countertop dishwashers, the AooDen offers a more economical choice for cost-conscious consumers. When it comes to features, the AooDen portable dishwasher offers 5 washing programs, including an air-dry function and a fruit washing option, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. On the other hand, the HAVA countertop dishwasher boasts 8 wash programs, along with a child lock and delayed start function, providing added convenience and safety for families. This makes the HAVA a more feature-rich option for users looking for advanced functionality. In terms of efficiency, the AooDen portable dishwasher provides standard energy-saving features suitable for everyday use. However, the HAVA countertop dishwasher is designed with enhanced energy efficiency in mind, incorporating a water softener to prevent limescale buildup and improve cleaning performance. This makes the HAVA a more eco-friendly choice, particularly for those concerned about energy consumption and long-term savings. In conclusion, both the AooDen and HAVA countertop dishwashers offer unique advantages for small kitchens. The AooDen is a budget-friendly option with essential features, while the HAVA provides more advanced functionalities and energy efficiency. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.